Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Studies, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3.1, Topic The Plate of Gold. Let us solve the question and answers of this topic. Unit 3.1, that is The Plate of Gold, which is an interesting poem. Let us solve the warming exercise first before doing the question and answers of this poem. Warming up. Point number 1. Stories can be told even in the form of poetry. Such poems are called narrative poems. Narrative poems do not always follow rhythmic patterns of a fixed rhyme scheme. Such poems are written in a style called free verse. Recall and name some narrative poems you have done or read earlier. Now, answer of this question is first one, The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe, The Charge of the Light Brigade by Lord Tennyson, The Littlest Christmas Tree. Now, let's jump on to the question number 2. Question number 2, fill in the gaps in the poem below, choosing appropriate pairs of rhyming words to make them meaningful. The pairs given to you all are love above, sand, land, be eternity. Let's begin. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Thus the little minutes, thou they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Little deeds of kingdom, little words of love, make this earth an Eden like the heaven above. Now let's move on to question number 3, that is, what important message does the above poem convey? The poem tries to give us a message that our life on this earth can become heavenly if we go about doing little deeds of kindness and speaking kindly to everyone. Reading for poetic understanding devices and vocabulary. Question number 1. Read the following extract carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. Complete the web. People who came to lay a claim on the plate. Munshis, hermits, holy men, nobles, scholars, those renowned for gracious or splendid deeds. Second point, name the following. They made a proclamation, the priest. A gift from heaven, a plate of gold. People assembled at this time, midday. The plate became this again when it touched the floor, gold. A2, complex factual activities. First one, complete the following. First point, the plate of gold could be claimed by the person who loved his fellow beings the best. Second, the priest gifted the plate of gold to a man who within the years have distributed his whole estate among the poor. Second one, what magical occurrence shocked the people? The golden plate turned to be lead when touched by the man and became gold again when it fell on the floor. This magical occurrence shocked the people. A3. Activities based on poetic devices or vocabulary. First one, pick out the words from the extract to complete the sentences meaningfully. First one, Stephen Hawking was a renowned astrophysicist. Second, the government made a proclamation about their new taxation policy. Third, everyone stood aghast when the terrible accident took place. Second point, pick out an alliteration, example of alliteration from the extract. Answer, a wondrous plate of gold whereon these words were writ. Third point, make a list of Ariac words from the extract and give their modern equivalents. Ariac word, wondrous, loved, dropped, writ, bestowed. Modern equivalents, wondrous, wonderful, loved, loves, dropped, dropped, written, bestowed, presented. We have completed extract 1. Now let us study extract 2. Question number 2. Read the following extract carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. Write if the following sentences are true or false. First one. The priest did not award the plate to anyone. False. There were very few beggars near the temple gate. False. Third point. The beggars got a lot of alms. True. Fourth. The peasant was well aware of the race of the plate. False. A2. Complex factual activities. First point. Give reasons. A point. Many beggars had collected outside the temple. Many beggars had collected or gathered outside the temple in hope that they would get lot of alms as people would donate generously in order to claim the plate of gold. B point. The pilgrims to the temple showered coins on the beggars. The pilgrims who came to the temple showered coins to the beggars because they were in the hope that the priest would present the plate of gold to them. And what did the pilgrims fail to do? The pilgrims failed to see the unhappiness in the eyes of the beggars. A3. Activities based on poetic devices or vocabulary. First one. Match the adjectives in column A with the nouns in column B. Maimed beggars, outstretched hands, simple peasants, sweet pity. Now, second point. Pick out an example of inversion from the extract. So far another 12 months sat the priest and judged. Third one. Pick out an example of repetition from the extract. Thrice they awarded, thrice did the heaven refuse the gift. Question number 3. Read the following extract carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activity. Complete the verb with words from the extract that describe the beggar. The beggar was poor, trembling, sore, blind, shunned by all and maimed. A2. Complex factual activities. First point. Complete the following. The poor peasant offered the blind beggar sincere pity and love. Second point. Give reason. God has chosen the simple peasant as the most deserving of the plate of gold. Answer. The simple peasant offered the blind beggar sincere sympathy and love, which came from the depth of his heart. He had no hidden motive for what he did. So God chose him as the most deserving of the plate of gold. Third, but the peasant bowed and prayed to God. What could he had prayed for? Answer. The peasant must have prayed for the well-being of all human beings and asked God to help everyone to bear their troubles bravely. A3. Activities based on poetic devices or vocabulary. First one. Pick out the words from the extract to complete the sentences meaningfully. First one. She wrangled with the hawker to reduce the price. Second. Handicapped people should never be shunned. Second. Make a list of Ariac words from the extract and give their modern equivalents. Ariac words, modern equivalents. Thou, you. Thy, your. O'er, over. Thine, yours. Lovest, love. Third point. Pick out an example of inversion from the extract. Answer. Dash, 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 and took both palms in his hands and softly said. Second point. Which two sayings about God are conveyed through the poem? A. God help those who help themselves. B. God loves those who love their fellow beings. C. God loves who give away their wealth to please him. D. Service to mankind is service to God. Answer. B point. God loves those who love their fellow beings. D point. Service to mankind is service to God. Analysis or appreciation of the poem. First, poem and poet. The Plate of Gold by James Henry Lyhunt. Second, theme. God loves those who love their fellow beings. Service to mankind is service to God. Third point, tone. A narrative serious and moralistic. Fourth, structure and stanzas. No uniformity in stanzas or the length of lines. Fifth, rhyme and rhyme scheme. No rhyme scheme or rhythmic free words. Sixth, language and imagery. Ariac language, plenty of imagery, especially when describing the peasant and the beggar. Seventh, figures of speech, inversion, repetition, onomatopoeia, and smiley. Manner we have completed all the three extracts and question and answers of this poem. You have to write this in your fair notebook. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food.